Realme launched its new affordable 5G phone in India called Realme 15X 5G. Now let's explore specifications of this smartphone. The Realme 15X 5G features a tall 6.81-inch HD+ display, with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM that can be extended up to 10 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme 15X 5G sports a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony's IMX852 sensor, along with the unspecified secondary lens. At the front it has 50-megapixel selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 60 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Realme UI 6.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.07 by 77.93 by 8.28 millimeters, and it weighs around 212 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme 15X 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 16,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 17,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 19,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in aqua blue, marine blue, and maroon red color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme 15X 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.